Division of quantities, values according to ratios. Let us now use ratios to divide quantities and values. Two friends, Sia, 36 inches in height, and Pia, 48 inches in height, pluck 7 ripe mangoes from a mango tree. They decide to share the mangoes in the ratio of their heights in inches. How many mangoes will each friend get to eat? Let us first find the ratio of their heights. The ratio of their heights is 3:4. Sia and Pia will share the mangoes in the ratio 3:4. It means that out of every 7 mangoes plucked, 3 will be eaten by Sia and 4 by Pia. Sia gets 3 out of 7 mangoes. Pia gets 4 out of 7 mangoes. Two brothers, Devjot and Premjot, buy a lottery ticket for ₹100. Devjot pays ₹60, Premjot pays ₹40. They decide to share the lottery money in the same ratio. They win a lottery of ₹1 lakh. How much should each brother get? Let us find first the ratio of their payments. Ratio of payment for lottery is 3:2. Devjot and Premjot will share the lottery money in ratio 3:2. It means that out of every 5 rupees won, 3 will go to Devjot and 2 will go to Premjot. Devjot's share in the lottery of ₹1 lakh is ₹60,000. Premjot's share is ₹40,000.